Hi, welcome to my channel where you will find ideas on how to cheaply travel to Aruba.
Aruba fellow travelers. Get ready to be astounded, for my suggestions will certainly save you money. And you will in accommodations to affordable local eats. You can experience the beauty of this island on a budget without compromising on memorable experiences. Finding the best deals on accommodation in Aruba. Coconut Inn is nestled in a quiet neighborhood. Coconut Inn offers very affordable rooms with a tropical flair. With its lush gardens and cozy atmosphere, this budget-friendly accommodation is perfect for those seeking a peaceful stay. Pearl d'Or is located just a short distance from the beach. Pearl d'Or provides comfortable rooms at a budget-friendly price. The hotel also offers a refreshing swimming pool and a restaurant serving delicious local cuisine, making it an excellent choice for budget travelers. Talk of the Town Hotel is situated in the heart of Oranjestad. It is a great option for those looking to explore on a budget. With its convenient location, comfortable rooms, and reasonable rates, this hotel provides excellent value for money. Aruba Blue Village, set near Palm Beach. It offers cozy apartments with kitchenettes, perfect for those who prefer a self-catering option. The property also features a swimming pool and a communal barbecue area, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious travelers. Little Paradise Aruba is a charming guest house, offers affordable rooms and a warm, friendly atmosphere. Located in a tranquil neighborhood, and it provides a peaceful retreat while still being within easy reach of Aruba's popular attractions. Remember to check each accommodation's website or contact them directly for the most up-to-date rates and availability. Tips for saving money on transportation in Aruba. Keep an eye out for airline deals and promotions to score affordable airfare to Aruba. Sign up for email alerts from airlines or use flight comparison websites to find the best prices. And here is a list of the best. Skyscanner serves well to compare prices from various airlines and find the best deals for flights to Aruba and other destinations. Kayak helps you discover affordable flights to Aruba by comparing prices across different airlines and booking options. Google Flights makes it to easily search and compare flights to Aruba, view prices on a calendar, and track changes in fares. Momondo makes it easy to find the cheapest fares to Aruba by comparing prices from multiple airlines and travel agencies. Expedia lets you book flights to Aruba at competitive prices, access exclusive deals, and bundle with hotels and car rentals. CheapOair lets you search and discover affordable flights to Aruba and other destinations with discounts and deals for budget-conscious travelers. Orbitz lets you have the ability to compare fares from major airlines and book your flight to Aruba, while also exploring hotel and car rental options. Travelocity is a search engine that helps you find the best prices for flights, bundle with hotels and car rentals, and enjoy exclusive discounts. Priceline lets you score great deals on flights by comparing prices, bidding on fares, and taking advantage of package deals. Airfare Watchdog is the one I use also. It gives me alerts for the best flight deals anywhere, find hidden discounts, and stay informed about fare changes. Aruba has a reliable public transportation system, including buses that can take you to popular tourist spots. Opting for public transportation instead of taxis can help you save money on getting around the island. Public bus trips are incredibly affordable, with a round-trip retour card costing only $5. This card allows you to take 2 trips. It is such a great deal for money. For just $10, you can get a day pass that allows you to travel by bus all day, as many times as you want. It's a fantastic idea for those of you who are eager to do some serious exploring. Rent a car if you prefer the flexibility of having your own vehicle. Compare car rental prices and book in advance to secure the best deals. Look for discounts, promotional codes, or package deals that include car rentals to save even more. There are months like October which can be the cheapest to rent a car. Share transportation costs. If you're traveling with a group or other budget-conscious travelers, consider sharing the cost of transportation. Splitting the fare for a taxi or renting a larger vehicle together can help reduce expenses. Explore by foot or bike in Aruba, which is relatively small, making it easy to explore on foot or by bicycle. Take advantage of pleasant weather and enjoy the sights and sounds at your own pace while saving money on transportation. Where to find delicious and affordable food in Aruba. Eating on a budget can help you save money while still enjoying the local cuisine. By opting for local eateries, street food, and supermarkets, you can experience authentic flavors without breaking the bank. Lunch specials, happy hour deals, and sharing meals are additional ways to stretch your budget. Here are some ways to eat on a budget in Aruba. Visit local eateries and food trucks for affordable and delicious meals. Opt for street food and snacks, such as empanadas and arepas. Explore supermarkets and grocery stores to cook your own meals. Look for lunch specials and early bird menus at restaurants. Share meals or order appetizers instead of full entrees. Take advantage of happy hour deals for drinks and discounted appetizers.
Know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button to help us with YouTube's algorithm. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel. It means a lot to us. I will be suggesting 2 new videos, and I would appreciate it if you give me your opinion on what you thought of those videos.